In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a presentation in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to find the right template, customize your slides, add motion and data, present confidently, and export your deck in the format you need. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Look for the official Canva site and click through to the home page. If you already have an account, log in so your designs save automatically. Once you're in, you should land on the main dashboard with a search bar and design options at the top. Click Create a Design. In the search field that appears, type Presentation. This brings up a library of professionally designed decks tailored to many use cases, like a marketing pitch or a lesson plan. Choose one that fits your purpose and audience. If you're presenting on a typical display, the widescreen 16:9 format is a safe bet. Remember, you can swap templates later without losing your content, so don't overthink the first choice. With your template open, head to the Design tab. Here, you can drag and drop pre-made slide layouts, such as intro, timeline, and comparison, directly into your slide list. Use these to build a clear flow. An opening slide that sets context, a few body slides that group ideas logically, and a closing slide with your takeaway or call to action. Keep slides focused. One idea per slide is a good rule of thumb. Next, apply your visual identity. Open the brand kit and, with a single click, swap the template's colors and fonts to your own. If you don't have a brand kit set up, you can still adjust colors and typography from the editor to maintain consistency and accessibility. Aim for high contrast and readable type sizes. To add motion, select any element and click Animate. Try subtle options like Breathe or Pop for emphasis. For a more cinematic feel, use Match and Move to carry objects smoothly from one slide to the next, reinforcing continuity as you tell your story. Use animation sparingly so it supports, not distracts from, your message. For data, go to Elements, then choose Charts. Pick a chart type and paste your data directly from Google Sheets or Excel. Canva will build a live, interactive graph you can style to match your deck. Label axes clearly and keep colors consistent with your palette. When you're ready to run the deck, click Present in the top right. Presenter View lets you see your speaker notes while your audience sees only the slides. You can also record a talk-through using Canva's Recording Studio for on-demand sharing. Finally, go to Share, then Download. Choose PDF for printing or Microsoft PowerPoint (PTX) if you'll open it in Office. That's it, your presentation is ready.